Code Muaaz, 10% off G Fuel. Might as well just throw it in there in the video. You know, you guys are already watching, I might as well just say it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can build a fan base on YouTube. I know I'm not the biggest YouTuber by any means, but I feel like what I have to say is pretty warranted because I have done pretty well for myself with the help of you guys, and also everything I have to say is free advice. So basically, like, if you don't like what I'm saying, you can literally just click off the video, but please don't do that. Your boy kind of needs the watch time. But if you guys end up enjoying the video and you guys do want to see more videos like these, then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, maybe turn on post notifications too if you're feeling kind of generous. I only upload like once a week, so I'm not even gonna be spamming your phone with notifications. Also, while you guys are doing that, the comment question for today's video is, before the year ends, what is your YouTube goal? So that's like how many uploads you want to do, how many subscribers you want to hit by the end of the year, whatever it is. Like, what is your YouTube goal? Comment down in the comment section below. I'm gonna be reading all the comments, so definitely be sure to do that. And while you guys do that, let's get started with the video. So I definitely feel like this video is gonna give you guys some real insight on how you can actually find at least some success on YouTube. And the first thing that I want to start off the video with, and I'm sure it's like a tip that you guys are probably expecting me to say, and it's really just the foundation for any successful YouTube channel that I've ever seen. Honestly, just think about your favorite YouTuber while I'm saying this tip, but it's that you need to have some sort of a personality or a character on your channel. And this tip is honestly extremely important because your personality or like your character is what your viewers are actually going to be able to connect with personally. And honestly, like, that's why it's so hard to find success on YouTube without like eventually having to add like a face cam to your videos, or I feel like most people usually have like their audio or like their voice in their videos, but like having a face cam is so crucial to building that personal connection. So honestly, like, things like how you act, what you say, and all that in your videos is incredibly important because this is actually how you're going to be able to express yourself in your videos. This is the place where you want to try being yourself because you're the only version of you that exists on this planet, unless you have a twin, but I don't even know if that counts. But you yourself are what makes you unique, and people really like that stuff on YouTube and Twitch and things like that. I can't explain how many times that I've watched new YouTubers they're trying way too hard to act like other popular YouTubers like FaZe Jav and PewDiePie and so many others, and honestly, like, it's pretty clear when you're not being your like genuine self. Like, it's always insanely clear to me when someone is trying way too hard to be someone else. And if you know exactly like what I'm talking about, comment down in the comment section below, because I'm sure a lot of you guys have watched people on YouTube and you're like, this is forced content or something like that. And like, honestly, it's just hard to watch those kind of people. Like, honestly, just be yourself. Like, do you really want to spend the rest of your career and like the rest of your brand on YouTube or Twitch or whatever pretending to be someone you're not? Like, that's just not gonna be fun at all. Like, honestly, just think about every single person who's ever blown up on YouTube or Twitch and things like that. Like, they're all different in their own way, and you can be too. Now, this next tip is actually going to be one that expands off of a tip that I said in my last video, which was kind of dedicated towards smaller YouTubers, but you really need to study your analytics and just look for patterns. Having a fan base is honestly all about being able to keep people engaged by liking your videos, commenting on them, and all that good stuff, but it's also insanely important to make sure that they're also watching your videos for a longer amount of time as well. If your viewers actually watch your videos longer, then YouTube itself is going to realize that, and it's going to actually push your videos out to people who just haven't seen your videos yet, like through the recommended or like through their homepage and things like that. And it's not rocket science, we all know YouTube works that way, so what you should do is go through your analytics for like your most recent videos and just see when people typically click off your video. I remember I actually did this last year, and I think I saw a lot of people leave my videos like around the beginning of my video, which kind of made no sense to me because the video just hadn't even started yet and people were already clicking off of it. So I actually went and looked at those videos analytics just to see if I could find like a trend or like a pattern of like, why are people clicking off my video before like it even gets like the 30-second mark, and I actually found out why. I actually found out that the introductions in my videos were actually way too long and people were clicking off of them before the introduction was even done. So before I even finished my introduction, gone on to like the first part of the video, people were already clicking off my video. So from there, I saw that that trend was happening like across like 5 or 6 videos. So in the next video, I shortened my introduction by like 50 to 75%, and my view duration skyrocketed immediately. And obviously, like, that's just one example that I have like for personal experience. I do have a bunch of others I can share, but I don't want this video to go on that long. But honestly, all I want you guys to do is just look for patterns in your videos of things that might happen that might make like a viewer want to click off your video. And then once you find like that trend or pattern like from one of your random videos, find a way to prevent that from happening in your future videos and just see if it works. So here's a quick example that I can think of. I think I mentioned this one in like the last video too, but let's say like every single time that you sneeze or cough in your video, you notice that you lose a lot of your viewers. Like, a lot of people just click off right there. Now in your future videos, try editing out every single sneeze or cough that you ever have in your future videos, right? We're humans, it happens, but just try it out and see if it has any sort of impact on your videos. Chances are, if your viewers were clicking off before when you would sneeze or cough, they're probably going to click off if you do it in the future too. So try editing it out and see if it makes any impact at all. And honestly, you just want to keep adjusting your future videos based on what you think makes people want to stay or makes them want to leave too early, just so that you can keep people watching longer. So that's really it for the second tip, because when you have people watching you longer, like having a longer view duration on your videos, that's good because you're able to build a fan base off of that. People are watching you for you and not just the content that you upload. And now the third tip that I actually have for you guys to help you guys build a fan base on YouTube is literally just networking. And this is probably the most underrated tip that I have for you guys, because I can promise you most of the people watching this video right now are probably not going to follow through with it. And I'm honestly not lying when I say it's probably one of the most effective things that you can do as a content creator, literally just networking with random people. So what this entails is like spend some time and make sure that all the comments that you have on your videos have been replied to. And the same thing goes for like your Twitter mentions, your DMs, your Discord messages, and everything. And I'm not even trying to be cocky when I say this, but I respond to almost every single Twitter mention that I ever get. And if I don't reply to it, I will always drop a like on that tweet instead, unless it's like something completely out of pocket, then you're not getting my reply. And the same thing goes for like Discord messages, emails, comments. I do my best to respond to at least every comment. I do read every single comment on my newer videos. I can promise you that. I might not reply to all of them anymore, but I will either drop like a heart or I'll do something. Like I promise to read all of them. But anyways, like go through and make sure that you're doing all that. Like make sure that you're staying in touch with the community that you've already built. Like every single time someone tags me in my Discord server, which you guys should definitely join, link somewhere over here, please join it. We have like 4,000 people. Let's make it 5K, come on guys. But anyways, like I respond to every single person who mentions me in there. I also just randomly jump into random conversations that other people are having in there as well. And the same thing goes for like my Twitter timeline too. Like if I see two random people talking about something that I'm interested in, I'll probably hop into the conversation as well. Like it just helps to do that. I consistently keep working to building that personal connection with you guys, even when I'm not uploading, and that's crucial for you guys to do as well. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are like, Muaaz, I am watching this video because I don't even have a fan base to begin with, and that's totally okay too. But that's just not a good enough excuse to avoid putting yourself out there. All of us honestly have some sort of community that we do want to be involved with in one way or another, whether that's on YouTube or Twitter or Discord and things like that. So hold conversations in the comments of like random YouTube videos that you're watching. So this video right here, go to the comments and just go respond to like random people. Go pick like 5 random people who commented on this video and just talk with them. Talk with them about literally anything. How's your day or whatever. Please don't promote your channel in there, but just try building a new connection with them. Try having a new friend or something like that. Like I promise you, it can go a really long way, and you can probably build like 2 new connections out of like the 5 comments that you drop on random comments. Just go find a random person, go try talking to them, try becoming friends with them, and then from there you can try building on your fan base. And the exact same thing goes for Twitter too. Like respond in random conversations that you see going on in your timeline. Like if you follow enough people, you should also be following me on Twitter. I have it over here somewhere. Please follow me, guys. Please. But like I said before, like if you follow enough people on your timeline, you should be able to just hop into random conversations, talk with random people, and build random connections. I've literally made real friends by just random people talking with me on Twitter. Like real friends that I talk with every single day. I play with video games with them every single day. I just hang out with them in Discord every single day because they would just randomly tweet me here and there. So you should do that too. Like it's worth the risk. Like think about it. What's the worst that can happen? You just get ignored. That's it. So go ahead, go out there and throw yourself out there. Try talking with random people that you look up to and things like that, because you never know where it can go. And the same thing goes for Discord too. Like join servers of communities that you're in or interested in and try making new friends with them. But like please do keep in mind that networking is not the same as self-promoting. So with these friends that you're making in my comment section right now, don't force them to go to your channel and stuff like that. Like just have normal conversations with them, build a normal friendship with them, and then over time eventually you guys can both start supporting each other and things like that. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I didn't have too many tips in here, but I hope that the ones that I did have were like somewhat valuable. If they were, please do hit that like button and comment below saying that this video was actually decent. I kind of rushed it. It's kind of like it's not even that late. It's 10:30 at night. I could have had a way better video, but please let me know if this is okay. Now, do keep in mind though that I can go on and on and on about these tips, right? I can make as many tip videos as I want to make, but it's totally up to you guys. Like the person watching this video right now, like on your phone or like on your computer, on your iPad, or on your TV if you watch on your TV. But it's up to you to actually put these tips like into effect. Like actually, when you're done watching this video, go do something. So like I said before, go to my comments and make like 3 new friends. Just do your best to make 3 new friends. If all of them ignore you, so what? You did your best, but it's worth the shot. Anyways guys, if you guys want more videos like these, then definitely let me know by dropping a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and maybe turn on my post notifications. I literally only upload once a week, so that's only 1 extra notification for you every single week. I'm not gonna spam your phone, so maybe give it a chance. But anyways guys, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.